Hi, what's up? I hope everything is fine, my audience. Uh, I have I don't upload long term, so I can regularly upload videos on YouTube, my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to get clients from Twitter, like YouTube SEO Client. Still now, YouTube SEO Client is the most popular skill. If you know YouTube SEO Client, then you can get more clients from social media like Instagram, Twitter. So I will show you how to get clients from Twitter, like university clients. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I will go to the Twitter. It's my Twitter account. So I have many clients from Twitter. I hunting. Okay, so first of all, you go to the search bar, like you type on like business coach. It's a keyword. US, like it's a niche business coach. You can try travel agency, you can search on Twitter, every keyword section, who on the YouTube channel. Okay. I charge a business coach, like this in this year, lots of bar, like top, latest, before media list. Or you can search filter from anyone before you do, or you can as you chose, you can search on this location. Okay, I go to the media and click on first one on this video. Open a new click bar and click on Home Service Business Coach. And next step, you just go to the website. In here, in the client website, if you read the client description, like about section, then you can more about the client. So just go to the scroll down and you can find Facebook, this client, Instagram, YouTube. Today I just show you the YouTube, how to get clients from Twitter, YouTube. This is the YouTube channel, and he's from like Canada. It's a Canada client. His YouTube channel is Home Service Business Coach. He is already 63 videos upload and 14.9K subscriber. So it has a more follower, but not engagement, not views, like 36 views, 20, 286, 86 views, 155 views. But this is the opportunity. If you want, just click. He set up the channel text, but not keyword setup, not like targeted keyword setup. You can send him messages. You can offer him like if you offer the grow views, the grow engagement is your YouTube channel. How you message him? How you message him? This guys like his website, his Instagram, his LinkedIn. You can send him the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional account, so you can must be created LinkedIn account. Just message and connect. So you just write, I saw your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel is very important for audience. Uh, what is the problem with YouTube channel? So you can send me the message. I will do it video views. I will set up the keywords, any other section. So I can show you another one. Okay. Okay. Like this one. Okay. Like this one. He has a podcast YouTube channel. I copy that right coach. You can just copy and paste and go to the YouTube and copy and paste like the fried coach. So how I copy and paste and how I the find this guy. This one. First of all, go to YouTube. Sorry. First of all, go to the Twitter and chat bar and business coach and here a next step of latest visual. You just click on media and lots of clients videos and go to the mm, in this video and his YouTube channel and go to a podcast YouTube channel. Then is the Fried Coach Coffee and Fest, and then I'd go to the YouTube and the Fried Coach and Coffee and Fest. Here is a 1K videos. He has uploaded 1K videos and 1.25K subscriber, but subscriber is very low. You can offer him to grow your YouTube channel, YouTube management, and like 12 views, 14 views, 6 views, very few views. You can. I think he has a not SEO score out of 100. Okay, like CS score 1 out of 20. No keyword setup, just video text setup, not targeted keyword. So this problem is here. How you find the potential customer, potential client from Twitter in this way. So it's a lots of clients from Twitter. If you the good salesperson, then you can manage more potential clients. So I hope in this video is very helpful. So I hope you understand how to get clients from Twitter, YouTube SEO clients. So thank you so much. Next video I will upload regularly.